Hey, Dad.
What's that, boy?
This looks just like the GTO you used to have.
Yeah, she sure does, doesn't she?
Hey, Grandpa, what year model was this car?
Well, Bobby, I was a young man with hair the same color as this car back in
That was a
1967.
long time ago.
I saw one just like this one, same color and all at the drag races. So I just had to buy one.
I still remember those races. Yeah, I was about 7 years old back then.
Yeah, I remember that. And you used to be real bow-legged and awkward and stuttered a lot, too.
Good Lord, Joe.
Was that true, Dad?
Well, Bobby, sort of.
Huh, bet your bottom dollar there, Bobby. Anyway, the interior of this car is just the way I remembered. Wow! Little fuzzy, though. But it looks pretty much the same.
Well, with the exception of a little wear and tear, it looks pretty much about the same.
Just a little wear and tear.
Well, Joe, she sure was a beauty.
Yeah, this was a nice
Why
car.
don't you get your eyes examined? She's still a beauty. And I bet she can do 0 to 60 in under 6 seconds.
Oh, I'm sure she can there, Dad.
Boy, you think I'm pulling your leg, don't you?
Grandpa, this car probably doesn't run
That's
anymore.
probably a fact.
Bobby, I'm sure this old girl still has lots of life left in her.
Do you really think so, Grandpa?
Well, not really there, Bobby.
No, Grandpa?
I'm just trying to get your dad's go.
Ah, for Pete's sakes, Dad.